Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to install Code Runner in VS Code. As you can see, now we don't have any Code Runner installed in our VS Code. To do that we have to go to extension section here, extensions, we're clicking this, and from here obviously we're gonna search something called Code Runner. Okay, the first one at the top, it's here. We're saying install, we're waiting, and now as you can see we have the play button, which means that Code Runner is installed in our VS Code. Let's try it. And the output there, we have the console log window. We have opened it. Also here we have the details of code running and how many milliseconds the code completed and etc. So the video was like this. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, be safe, have a nice day, bye bye.